Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2026 at 10:09. And today we have our day one outlook to look at for today. Anyhow, I do apologize for that quick pause, but anyway, here we go. We're going to take a look at the day one outlook. So today's day one outlook, this is an interesting one. Today we have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of east central Iowa, northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, extreme northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and southern Michigan. We have another enhanced risk encompassing parts of northern Texas and through central Oklahoma and extreme southern Kansas. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of central Kansas through central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Arkansas, eastern Kansas, western and northern Missouri, southeastern Nebraska, southern through central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, central Wisconsin, central to northern Michigan, parts of northwestern Ohio, northern to central Indiana, and northern to central Illinois. We also have a slight risk over here encompassing parts of northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, parts of eastern and central New York, northwestern Massachusetts, parts of western to central Connecticut, northwestern Connecticut, western to central Massachusetts. I do apologize for that. Parts of most of Vermont actually, and most of New Hampshire. So we do have those areas under a slight. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western New York, much of Pennsylvania, going up into Rhode Island, all of Rhode Island, eastern Massachusetts, eastern Connecticut, much of New Jersey, much of Pennsylvania, northern Maryland, northern West Virginia, much of Ohio, extreme northern Kentucky, central Indiana, central Illinois, parts of central Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, back into central Texas, back through Oklahoma, central Kansas, eastern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin, as well as extreme northern Michigan. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk. Let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 10% level 2 tornado threat. This is the first of the year for parts of eastern Iowa, parts of northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin. We have a level 1 10% that is for parts of eastern Iowa. We do have a level 1 5% that encompasses parts of southern Michigan, northwestern Ohio, northern Indiana, parts of northern Illinois, and eastern Iowa. And we have a 2% level 1 that encompasses parts of northwestern Illinois, southern Iowa, going through central and northern Iowa as well, extreme southeastern Minnesota, and extreme central Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a 2% level 1. We have a level 1 5% for northeastern Texas and through central Oklahoma into southeastern Kansas, and we have a 2% level 1 that encompasses parts of eastern Kansas as well. We also have a 2% level 1 that encompasses parts of eastern New York State, most of Vermont, most of New Hampshire, and parts of northern Massachusetts. We have a level, of a 2% normal that encompasses parts of central Texas through central Oklahoma, northwestern northwestern Arkansas, northwestern central to northern Missouri, eastern Kansas, central Illinois, southeastern Nebraska, western Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, central Wisconsin, central Michigan, parts of much of Ohio, central Indiana, central Illinois, and I took care of the 2%, so we have a 2% for those areas. So we do have a pretty significant severe weather day ahead of us today. We have Madison, Rockford, Janesville, Dubuque, and Bullitt, or Bellet, however the heck you're supposed to say that, under the level 2 significant severe. Chicago, Detroit, Milwaukee, Oklahoma City, and Tulsa under the level 1. Milwaukee, Madison, Rockford, Cedar Rapids, and Elgin under the 15%. Chicago, Detroit, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Wichita under the 5%, and Indianapolis, Columbus, Fort Worth, Kansas City, and Cleveland under the 2%. So, for the 10% level 2 area, we could see an EF3. So a strong tornado is definitely possible today. A strong EF3, maybe an EF4. Can't necessarily rule out an EF5, but it is definitely on that side of the scale. 10% level 1, we could see an EF3 tornado possible today. 5% level 2, we could see an EF2 tornado possible today. 2% level 1, we could see an EF1 tornado possible today. And 2% normal, we could see a brief EF0 tornado possible today. So please be mindful of that today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 30%. What the heck is this? I've never seen this outline before. Oh, that's the state line. I'm an idiot. So anyhow, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of eastern Wisconsin, northeastern Illinois, northern Indiana, extreme northwestern Ohio, and southern Michigan. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Iowa and southern Wisconsin. And we do have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of central to northern Michigan, central to southern Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, much of Iowa, southeastern Illinois, eastern Kansas, northern to central Missouri, central Oklahoma, central Texas, and going into central to northern Illinois, central Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. We also have another 5% or 15% over here, encompassing parts of northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, eastern New York State, northwestern Connecticut, western and central Massachusetts, most of Vermont, and most of New Hampshire, having that 15%. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of western New York State, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, eastern Massachusetts, all of Rhode Island, southeastern Connecticut, northern to central New Jersey, most of Pennsylvania, including my area actually, parts of northern Maryland, northern West Virginia, much of Ohio, central Indiana, central Illinois, central Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, through central Texas, going into parts of western Oklahoma, central Kansas, eastern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin, as well as northern Michigan. So we do have those areas under a 5% wind risk for today. So we have Chicago, Detroit, Milwaukee, Toledo, and Madison under the significant severe. Chicago, Detroit, Milwaukee, Toledo, and Fort Wayne under the 30%. Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Cleveland, Omaha, and Tulsa under the 15%. And New York, Philadelphia, San Antonio, Dallas, and Indianapolis under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see up to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. For the 15% hatched, we could see also 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. For the 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that today. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 30% level 2 for portions of eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin. We have a 30% level 1 that encompasses parts of eastern to central Iowa and northern Illinois, as well as central to southern Wisconsin. We also have a level 2 hail threat that encompasses parts of northeastern Texas and through central Oklahoma. And we have a level 1 30% that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma and extreme southern Kansas. We have a 15% level 1 that encompasses parts of through central Texas, through central Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, northwestern and central Missouri, southeastern Nebraska, southern through central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, central Wisconsin, western Michigan, northwestern Indiana, and northern Illinois. And we do also have, we don't. We have a normal 15% that encompasses parts of central to northern to eastern Michigan, northwestern Ohio, central Indiana, central Illinois, central Missouri, eastern Oklahoma, and parts of east central Texas. And we also have a 5% that encompasses parts of through central Texas, so east central Texas, into southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, central Missouri, central Illinois, central Indiana, central and northern Ohio, parts of northern Michigan, central Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota. Whoop, there's the reset. I did not do that. Northwestern Iowa, eastern Nebraska, central Kansas, central Oklahoma, back through west central Texas. We also have a 5% up here. That is for parts of eastern New York State, much of Vermont, much of New Hampshire, and northern Massachusetts. So we do have those areas under a 5% as well. So we have Madison, Rockford, Lawton, Janesville, and Dubuque under the level 2. Chicago, Milwaukee, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, and Omaha under the level 1. Chicago, Milwaukee, Oklahoma City, Madison, and Des Moines under the 30%. Detroit, Kansas City, Omaha, Tulsa, and Wichita under the 15%, and Dallas, Indianapolis, Columbus, Fort Worth, and Cleveland under the 5%. So, for the 30% level 2 areas, we could see up to 4, maybe 4.5, maybe even 5-inch hail possible. It's going to be very damaging hail. Level 1, 30%, we could see up to 3 to 3.5-inch diameter hail, maybe even 4-inch diameter hail possible today. 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5-inch diameter hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3-inch diameter hail possible today. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2-inch diameter hail possible today. So please be mindful of that today. Going into the hail threat for today, summary for today, it says, severe thunderstorms are expected this afternoon through tonight from the southern plains into the Midwest. Large to giant hail, several tornadoes, some strong, and severe gusts will be possible, particularly from Iowa into the southern Great Lakes. So anyhow, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, you may be in a marginal risk, but you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. And just in case it does happen to go into an overnight threat, make sure you have multiple ways of getting woken up to any severe weather warnings, whether that will be from your NOAA weather radio, your phone, your television outlet, your radio source, whatever it is you use. But anyway, I do really hope that you have a great day. And also, I would recommend staying in your safe place tonight. Just avoid having to move overnight, just in case it happens to become an overnight threat. But anyway, I do really hope you have a great day. Stay weather aware, stay safe, and I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. Anyway, stay weather aware, stay safe, take care.